coming here for his funeral?
No. He was a long time ago. He died. We have like reunions for the funeral. You want to get going?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Welsh!
Hello, or as we say here in Wales, oh, Mr. Referee! As you may or may not be aware, only one Welsh language programme was ever made in the history of the world ever. And that programme was, and is, Sgorio. Now, Sgorio is a football highlights programme, and it shows highlights from a lot of the European leagues, like the German league and the Italian league and the Spanish league. The last time I was watching, it was showing highlights from the Dutch league, which, as an Ajax fan, delighted me. The football was wonderful, but what was particularly excellent about this show is that it gifted me with a number of very colourful Welsh phrases. My three favourite were Arbediad Campus, which means fantastic save, that we would often change to Arbediad Krampus, because we are hilarious. Tyranny or the Ara Troust, which means thundering off of the crossbar. And Ergyd Wefreiddiol, which means electrifying strike. Wefreiddiol, have I heard that word before? The last time I saw the programme, it was showcasing Welsh football, and I mean, that's such a great idea, because I mean, there's no more gripping television than watching Bangor City take on Afon Lido of a cloudy afternoon. One of Sgorio's spurious claims to fame is that on the 14th of December 2009, it received such a low viewer rating that it actually counted as though no one was watching it. And I could make fun of that, but I'm not going to, because there's numbers on the side of this video so you can see exactly how many people have watched this. And my defence is, at least I didn't have to run around in the cold for 90 minutes. Wow. And with those spurious ratings, it does make you wonder, where did Sgorio go wrong? And I don't think it was that they stopped covering the bigger leagues and started focusing more on Wales. I think the main problem was that they changed the theme song. Now, the last time I watched Sgorio, the theme was like a beige rock number. I mean, they were clearly trying to be cool, and I don't want to insult whoever composed that, because I'm sure a lot of love went into it, but it smacked really of the team trying to be cool dudes and attract a youth market. Which was a mistake. But no rock number could be half the theme I remember from my own childhood. It was an energetic brass fanfare calling the faithful to joy. It was marvellous. I mean, ideally I'd be able to put in a clip here, but I can't, because it's lost. I have no idea what it's called. I have no idea who composed it. I have no idea who sang it. And apparently, no one does. Who composed it? Who played it? What was it called? No one knows. No one remembers. No one will tell me. I even wrote to the production company to find out, you know, with an actual pen, no less, with my human hands on actual human being paper, and they never got back in touch. That's all detailed in one of our podcasts we did, and I'll put the links down below. Check that out. But now over to me on the TV for a new vocabulary of this week. I want to check that out, yeah. I want to hear about that, yeah. Let's do it then.
Ro'n i'n cynnig right? Roedd e'n reit wefreiddiol.
Parch.
Roedd e'n soc gang glib.
Diolch.
Ac yng nghanol y cynnichio, dyma hi'n rhoi bonglist I mi.
Donkey punch. Oedd e'n wefreiddiol.
Cachu rwtch! Oh, cachu rwtch, bitch!
That's what it sounded like. I'm sorry, I'll stop. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put up some links now because I'm cheeky and wasting your time dragging you to watch more of my videos and stuff. Please, links to come up. They're probably going to be a link to the podcast page that we've got with my mates, a link to David's vlogs probably, and I remind you again, podcasts about this song in detail, I'm going to put a link down there rather than a pop-up, because the pop-ups can't go off YouTube because YouTube is a closed circuit. So I hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a good day. At a week.